Hello everyone, welcome back once again in my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I am going to explain one next important concept of our multi-threading. That concept is guy yield method. I hope you have seen my last video guy. In that video I have already explained what is sleep method. So guys, in this video I am going to explain new concept of our multi-threading. That is guy yield method. And guys, I hope you have seen all the video what I have already explained to you guys and already I have uploaded on the YouTube channel as well. In last video I have explained what is sleep method. So continuation video of our last video, that is guys yield method. In this video I will completely explain what is yield method. And guys, you can see today agenda of our yield method guy, this one. So what is yield method? Method signature of yield method, what is the purpose of yield method, real-time use case, key point of yield method, and difference between sleep and yield method, and guys execution of code base of our yield method. That thing also I will show on our IDE. So guys, that complete thing I will explain to you guys in this video. So guys, see, first I will move what is yield method guys. So I will explain what is yield method guys. Please be concentrated entire video guys. If you watch very concentratedly entire video, definitely I hope you should not have single confusion. This is guys very simple what concept in our multi-threading, correct? Yes. So guys, see, the yield method in Java is a static method. First point you keep in mind. So this yield method in Java is a static method. So you can call this method with the help of class name only, correct guys? Yes. So guys, which provides a hint to the thread scheduler. Okay, always keep in mind. So this yield method provides a hint to the thread scheduler. What? It stop the current executing thread and give a chance to other thread for its execution. Keep in mind. Means which stop the current executing thread and give a chance to other thread for its execution. That time you can call yield method. Correct guys? Yes. Then guys, second point, what is the method signature of yield method? So guys, see, public static native void yield method. So native means guys the implementation is available in other language, correct? And guys, this is already I've told you, this is static method, right? Yes. Then guys, what is the purpose of yield method? Why we are going to use yield method in our multi-threading? That is a simple thing. So it suggests what? Which stop the current executing thread and give a chance to what? Which give a chance to other thread for its execution. Correct guys? Yes. So it aims to improve the relative progression between threads that might otherwise overutilize the CPU. That thing also guys keep in mind. So first point means what? It suggests that the current thread is ready to pause. Current thread is ready to hold its execution and allow other threads of the same or higher priority to run. Correct guy? I hope you understood. Then guy, next, okay, this is a working flow of yield method. I will explain this concept guy with simple what? A story, with simple example guy. So by which you can remember forever. So guys, see what is the example guy here. So guys, see, you know very well, most of the guys, you're going to shop in the shopping mall. Yes, okay? Most of the candidate is going to shopping in the shopping mall. So if you purchase some product, and guy, if you purchase some more product, suppose 10 to 15 product if you purchased, in same time guy, some person who purchased very less product, only 2 to 3 product. Suppose the person who is purchased very less product, they came and what? Stand behind you. They came and stand behind you on the queue for do the billing. Correct? Yes. You are also standing in the queue, and the person who came last also he is standing behind you. So guys, see what happening. Once you are standing in the queue, definitely guys, you are going to do the bill. Yes or no? Whatever product you have purchased, for this you are going to do the billing on the billing counter. Correct? So guys, see, you know what happened. The person who is standing behind you, they may request you, hey man, I have purchased very less product, and what I could see, you purchased more product guy. Yes or no? So can I do the bill first, if he is requesting, and guys see, if he is requesting to you, and guys, if you are going to allow, yes, no problem, you can go ahead and you can do the build first. That means guys, you are the current thread, you just behave, you are a current thread, and the person who is standing behind you, it is a other thread. That means guys, if you are going to allow the person who is behind you and he can do build first before than you, that means guys, the concept come into picture, yield method. Same thing guys, yield method talks about if current thread is stopping his execution and allowing to what, give a chance to execute other thread, that is called a yield method. Same thing happening in this example also. If you are going to allow that person to do the build first, correct guys? So guys, also one thing keep in mind guys, the person who is doing the build on the billing counter guy, that person just like guy thread scheduler. What thread scheduler is doing in the our multi-threading, same behaving guys, that person also who is doing the billing, what, the person is standing on the billing counter guy. Because sometimes guys, you know, the person who is doing the bill for you guys, they may allow, they may not allow. No, whatever person is standing in the queue need to follow in same queue guys. That time you cannot do anything for the person who is standing behind you, even they are going to request you, correct? So the same thing in our multi-threading also. The thread scheduler sometimes they may allow, okay, to other thread to its execution, sometimes they may not allow. Correct guys? I hope you understood the concept here. Correct? So guys, that thing is our working flow of our yield method guys. Then guys, next point, what is real-time use case guys? So guys, see, these are some real-time use case which is most important for understanding. So guys, first, cooperative multitasking. So the yield method is really from the era of cooperative multitasking guys, where threads had to willing give to CPU guys. This is first point guys, you should keep in mind. So cooperative multitasking. Then guys, second is hint to scheduler. So I already have told you. So this yield method guy, it hint, not a command guy. This yield method give to hint to the thread scheduler, not a command. What guy? The thread scheduler may or may not actually pause the current thread and give a chance to other thread. Yes or no guy? Correct. So guys, then third is runnable state. When a thread calls yield method guy, it moves back to the runnable state, making it eligible for scheduling again. Correct guy? Then again, no guarantee. So guys, it depends upon the thread scheduler. Sometimes thread scheduler may allow thread to execute first. Sometimes they may not allow guy. So guys, no guarantee. So guys, it depends upon the thread scheduler only. Just like our billing counter person. Sometimes they may allow the person who is standing behind you. Sometimes they may not allow. They may tell you, no. What the person is standing in the queue, they need to follow in same queue guy. Correct guy? Then guy, priority consideration. The scheduler will prioritize threads with the equal or higher priority than the thread that called yield method guy. Then guy, next point, low priority threads guy. So guy, yield method is more effective in low priority guy threads, or when a thread wants to give other threads a chance to execute. They also guy, keep in mind, is also an important point. Then guy, last use case, that is avoid CPU hogging. So guy, it can be used to avoid a single thread from hogging the CPU, especially guy, in the scenario where thread performs long computations. Guys, these all are important use case of our what? Yield method guy. Then guys, next concept. What is the key point which we need to remember in multi-threading? So guys, see, first point, yield method is a static method. So it is called using with the help of class name. Correct? Yes. Then guys, second point is it doesn't affect the state of the thread. It remains in the runnable state. Then again, next point is it is primarily a hint and not a guarantee that another thread will get the CPU. Means it is not a guarantee that thread scheduler will allocate to execution for the CPU guy. Yes or no? If he will get the execution, that means they will get the CPU. If thread scheduler is not allowed to give a chance to execute, that means guy, they will not get the CPU. I hope you understood guy. Then get next point. It can be useful for debugging or testing purpose guy, where it might help reproduce the bug, replicate the bug caused by race conditions. Then last but not least, our key point of yield method. It's rarely appropriate for regular application logic due to its unpredictable nature. They're all points very important what we should keep in mind. Then next point which is also most important for interview point of view. Sometimes they may ask what is the exact difference between yield and slip method in multi-threading. So yield method already explained couple of times. So yield method suggests that the current thread is willing to give up. Yes or no? That means it can stop and will give a chance to other thread for its execution. Correct? But slip method not loose like, not like that. So slip method force a thread to pause or hold for a specific duration of time and moving it waiting state. That is called slip method. That is the exact difference between yield and slip method in our multi-threading. Then this code I have written pseudocode. Almost same code I am going to explain in our coding section, where you can see how yield method is behaving in our multi-threading application. Good. So that's all about our theoretical part, but same thing I will explain on the IDE, where you can see how yield method is behaving in our application. So see, without any further delay, we'll move our IDE. Yes. So see, you know very well, I have already created one package that com.add multi-threading concept. In that I am going to create one class. That class belongs to our yield method example. Yes or no? Correct? Yield method example. You will have one main method done. You can see. Correct? Yes. So you know very well, right? So if you are going to discuss about multi-threading, so first we need to extend our class from thread class, or you may implement our class from runnable interface. So this time also I am going to extend our class from thread class. So extends thread, right? This is our first point to create thread. Correct? Yes. Yes. So see, in our this class, first we need to override run method. Only we can execute our, only we can able to create our thread. So you can see run. So we can override run method. Correct? Yes. And we can remove the all things which is not need for us. Correct? Yes. Guys, see, in this run method, I want to perform some task. Just I'm going to print some number. That purpose I can use for loop, right? For int I equals to 0, then I less than equals to 5, then I plus, good. Then I plus, good. Yes. Good. In that we don't have any confusion. Good. Yes. So let's see, we can print which thread it's executing. This is child thread, this is main thread, and what is the value of I. For that purpose we can print sysout, right? Sysout, and in that I'm going to print thread dot current thread. Yes or no? Current thread dot get name of the current thread. Yes and we can print the value of I, right? Yes. Correct yes. So with that I'll come to know what is the which thread is going to execute. Correct yes. Then what we can do, so we can create the object of our this class then we can start our thread. Correct yes. So what I can do, you can see here I'm going to create the object here. So y empty equals to new our this class, right? Yes. No guys, not like that. This way we need to do it. Yes. Then guy, I will what start our run method. If you would like to start run method guy, so what you can do guy, you can call start method guy. Yes or no? Yes. Then guy, empty dot start. So guys, see, if you're going to call start method, so internally it will call the run method. You know this thing very well because this all the things I've explained very well in previous video guy. The guys who is coming first time and watching this video guide, so I will request to you first go and watch all the video what I have explained in previously guide. Good. Then you can come here and you can understand very well what is the yield method. So guys, this is a step how to create thread guide. First step is you need to extend your class from the thread class, or you may implement from runway interface. Then guys, second step you need to override run method. Third step you need to create the object of our class. Then guys, you need to call the start method. These 4 points you need to keep in mind if you would like to create the thread. Correct guys? Yes. Then guys, see, same task I want to perform in main thread also guys. So guys, see, same thing I'm going to print here, right? Yes. So guys, see, after writing this simple code guys, after writing the simple code, I would like to run the application. I want to see what is the actual behavior without using yield method. Yes, okay? Without using yield method, I would like to see what is the behavior. Correct guys, see. So I will run the application. We'll see the result guys. Guys, see here. Guys, see. So there is no any specific rule guys. So sometimes main thread executing first, sometimes child thread going to execute. Yes, okay, you can see thread 0 guys. Guys, see main thread 045. So guys, this is zigzag manner. So sometimes main thread executing first, sometimes what child thread is going to execute first. Okay, you can run one more time, then you can see this time result may be different guy. See guy, this time all child thread guy come first. All child thread run first guy, then main thread come first. Guy, so this behavior is what? Not constant. Every time is fluctuating guy. But our main motto guy, what you know? So what is the actual behavior of our what yield method? Yes, okay. What is the actual behavior of yield method? Correct? Yes. Guys, see. So guys, this is our main method. Yes, no? This is our main method. So guys, see, if I would like to call yield method this place guys, concentrate. If I would like to call yield method this place, so guys, thread dot yield guys, because already explain you guys. So yield method guys is our static method. Yes, no? Yield method is a static method guys. So that's why you can call this yield method with the help of class name thread.yield. Guys, see, I'm going to call yield. Correct? Yes. So guys, see, after calling the yield method this place, guys, you know what happened here. So guys, the expected behavior should be, so guys, first it should our all child thread. First it should run all the child thread guy, then it should print our main thread, because I'm going to call thread.yield this place. So first I'm going to start ym.start. So it will run our what run method, and it will print this task guy. So all the child will print first, then main thread came into picture as per the guy expected behavior. But guy, we'll see what the output is coming guy. Guys, see what's coming guy. Just reverse guy. So first it came all main thread guy. This is not expected behavior guy. This is completely wrong, because guy, you know why it's happening guy? Because this time thread loader is not stopping the current thread execution. Yes, guy, it is allowing the current thread execution even if you're going to call yield method guy. Even you're going to call yield method, it's allowing to run the main method guy. But our expected behavior guy, first it should come child thread, then once child thread complete, then guy this main thread come into picture. Guys, see, one more time I will run the application, we'll see the result guy. So guy, every time result will see guy, this time result changed. Yes, guy, our expected behavior guy, first all child threads will print guy. First all child thread will print, then main thread came into picture. Guys, see, this is our expected behavior guy. All I have told you guy. So sometimes thread loader is going to allow, sometimes they may not allow. If they are not going to allow guy, that time result may be very guy. But guys, you can see this time if you're going to call thread.ill method, so all child method guy executed first, yes or no, then main thread came into picture guy. So guys, this is expected behavior when you're going to call what, thread.ill in our main method guy, in our main method. So guys, I can writing here, so guys, you can see here expected behavior, expected what, behavior, expected behavior when guy, when if you call, when if you call, if you call thread.ill method in main thread, yes no guy, don't worry, I will comment this line, the error should not be visible guy. See, okay, keep in mind, so guy, this result guy, so all child thread will execute first, then main thread came into picture. So expected behavior guy when if you call thread.ill method in main thread guy, this is guy in main thread, you're going to call thread.ill in our main thread guy. So guy, it is stopping first main thread, it allowing to run the all child thread. So guy, thread.ill method talks about only guy, so which stop the current executing thread and allow or give a chance to execute other thread guy, yes or no guys. See, no, second case guy, if you are going to comment this line, going to comment this line, and guys same thing if you're going to call guy this place, what guy, thread.ill method guy, thread.ill method, then guy this time you know what should be the expected result guy. So first it will print guy what, main, because I'm going to comment this place guy, so it should run our main thread first, then it will give a chance to our child thread, correct guy. So we'll run the application, we'll see the result guy, what result is coming, is expected or not guys. See, run Java application guys. See this time what happening guy, so same result coming guy, so it's not expected guy. So guys, this time the result should become guy first main method, then child thread guy. Again you can run the application, you can see result guy. Guys see, this time guy again result coming guy, this time guy expected result is coming not, yes, all the main thread behavior guy. So first it executing our main thread, you can print get this result main 025, yes no guy, then guy it is allowing to run the our child thread guy, this expected behavior guy, because this time our thread result is allowing, so it is stopping the what, current thread execution, that is child thread, and it is allowed to chance our what, other thread, that is our main thread, yes no guy, yes. Let's see, that is guy expected behavior of our second scenario guy. So guy, you can write here what, same thing, and guy this thing, what guy, expected behavior when if you call thread.ill method in what guy, child thread, yes or no, child thread, then guy you can see this behavior guy, yes or no. So guy, I hope you understood. So what is the exact meaning of ill method guy? So ill method means guy which stop the current executing thread, what guy, which stop the current executing thread and give a chance to what, other thread for its execution, that time you can use ill method. A part of that, nothing else guy. So guy, I hope you understood all the concept what I would like to explain you. Okay guys, see, that's it from this video guy. In coming video I will explain what is sleep method guy, sorry guy, what is join method. All this sleep I'll explain in previous video, sleep and ill already we have done, and next video I will explain what is join method, okay. This is also very simple, so guys don't confuse. In next video I will explain also what is join method as per our small example and with code base as well guys. So guys, so this question is most important in the interview room. The interview may ask what is the difference between sleep, ill and join. So two method already you what got it guys, yes or no, yes. Thank you guys. Bye bye. We'll meet very soon in next video with our join method guys. If you like the video guys, please like, share, subscribe. So I will bring such type of informative video for you people guys. Guys, this multi-threading is very interesting if you know. Otherwise, it is too difficult guys. Yes or no? Yes. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care.